Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple and attractive HTML web page using Notepad++ on the topic Scientists and Their Inventions. Let's get started. This is our question. Create a web page with an ordered list type A of 3 scientists, each having an unordered list of their inventions and including 3 images with their alt text. First of all, open Notepad++. Now create a new file and save it with a .html extension. For example, I'm going to name mine Scientists and Their Inventions. Make sure you add the .html extension. Then only our web page will work. Now let's start with the basic HTML structure. We begin with the HTML tag. Once you open a tag, you should make sure that you close the tag. Now in the HTML, we will make a head tag. When you open a tag, make sure you close a tag. Inside the head, we add the title. And let our title be Scientists and Their Inventions. Then in the head, we should add the style tag to design our page. After that, we should open the body tag where all our content will be written. Inside the style tag, we have to design our page. We have to set the background color, font family, image size, and heading alignment. This will make our page look clean and attractive. Now I have set the background color and font family for the body. After that, I have adjusted the image's width, height, and alignment. Now I have made the heading as the center. Adding the heading. Now inside the body, we add the heading using H1. Let our heading be Scientists and Their Inventions. And make sure to close H1. And we have already aligned it using the text align property in the style tag. That is this property right here. Step 5, we need to create an ordered list. Now we have to create ordered list using OL tag. Since the question specifically mentions type A, we have to write OL type equal to A. This will display the list as A, B, C, D and so on. Step 6. Add the scientist name. Now we add each scientist using li. The li tag stands for the list item. It is used to define each item inside a list in HTML. Now I've written the scientist name as Albert Einstein. To make the title look good and stand out, we will use the bold tag. Next, we have to add points using unordered lists. Inside each scientist, we have to create another list using UL because the question specifically mentions to use an unordered list for their inventions. Then we use li to add their achievements. This helps organize the information clearly and neatly. Next, we have to add images. Now to add images, we need to use the img tag. And we need to use src to give the image path, as it is an empty tag and needs src to make it a complete tag. Now in order to grab the image path, we need to go to our folder. We have to choose the image. Now this is the image that I want to use, that is alberteinstein.webp. Then click on the image, right click on the image and then go to copy as path. After you've done that, you can go back to your program and then you can just Ctrl V or you can paste the path. After that, you have to close the image tag. And we need to give alt to give alternate text for the image because the question specifically asks for it. So ALT is equal to, I'm gonna give Albert Einstein. And make sure you're not leaving any space because it won't work if you leave a space. And also make sure the image is in the correct folder where the program is also saved. Otherwise, it won't display. And now, since you have opened UL, you have to make sure to close UL. Now I'm going to do the same for two other scientists. After doing it for two other scientists, make sure to close the OL tag. Here's an important tip. Do not place the image inside LI if you don't want a bulletin point next to it. Place it separately for a cleaner look. Also, make sure to close all the tags properly. That's it. You've successfully created a HTML web page using Notepad++ with proper structure, styling, lists, and image. Now let us see our output. This is our output. If the path of the image isn't correct, this is how the output would look. And since we've given alt text, that's why Albert Einstein, Thomas, and Alexander are appearing over here. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos. Thanks for watching.